Hello, good morning and salam alaikum. Today again I'm here with you Prisha, and actually people were asking me about the tea because I mentioned there that 2% of ganoderma extract is mixed in tea. So they were asking me like, if 2% of ganoderma can do miracles in our health, then what about the pure 100% ganoderma? So today I will going to tell you the health benefits of ganoderma, because also I'm using since last year. So let me introduce you first. This is the pure ganoderma. This is the 100% pure ganoderma. So I'm using the same this one, and of course I got so many health benefits and I love to share with you all guys. So after I had started to consume, then I was so curious to know what kind of health benefits we can get from this mushroom. So according to research, I will get to know all the health benefits from this mushroom. Really don't want to delay anymore. Let me start with the foremost benefit of this ganoderma. This ganoderma helps to boost our immune system. Even nowadays, doctors and even big organizations, for example WHO, they had already announced that even our immune system is strong enough to fight with COVID-19 when we can alive. So the special thing is that this ganoderma helps to boost our immune system, and it will make our immune system more stronger than before, and of course we can fight with COVID-19. So as we know that our body is made up of trillions of cells, so it will help to remove the toxins from each and every cells, and our cells become healthy. And also, you know what, it helps to reduce the cancerous cells from our body, which is